In the highly competitive digital landscape, securing a top spot on Google can significantly impact your business's success. Enter the Ranking Rabbit SEO coaching program designed by international SEO coach James Upjohn. This program promises to transform your website's visibility and drive substantial traffic using proven strategies. Being buried on page 10 of Google results is a common frustration for many business owners. The difference between being on page 1 and page 10 is stark. Page 1 means visibility, traffic, and potential customers, while page 10 means obscurity. For instance, someone searching for furnace repair Chicago in the freezing month of January is likely desperate for immediate service. If your website ranks at the top, you're almost guaranteed a phone call. James Upjohn is not just an SEO coach. He's a mentor who has guided over 1,000 SEOs and business owners to achieve first-page rankings on Google. His approach is not just about theory, but practical, actionable strategies that deliver real results. The success stories from his students who rank highly for competitive keywords speak volumes about his expertise and the effectiveness of his methods. SEO remains one of the best strategies for generating a consistent stream of free traffic to your website. Unlike paid advertising, which can be costly and fleeting, SEO provides long-term benefits. By ranking high on Google, you tap into a continuous flow of targeted visitors who are actively searching for the services or products you offer. The Ranking Rabbit SEO coaching program offers a comprehensive, proven approach to mastering SEO and achieving top rankings on Google. With extensive training, robust support, and guaranteed results, this program is designed to help you transform your website's visibility and drive substantial business growth. If you're tired of struggling to get noticed online and want to unlock the potential of free, high-quality traffic from Google, the Ranking Rabbit SEO coaching program is your pathway to success. Sign up today for the $1 trial and start your journey toward dominating the search engine results. Don't miss this opportunity to learn from one of the best in the industry and take your business to new heights. Thanks for watching.